to you. How about this? Sounds like aluminium might be the metal you need. Its physical and chemical properties allows it to be the perfect metal for everything you may require. Aluminium is used in a huge variety of products including cans, foils, kitchen utensils, window frames, beer kegs, and aeroplane parts. It is because of its particular properties such as it's a good reflector of visible light as well as heat, and that together with its low weight it makes the ideal material for reflectors, for example light fittings or rescue blankets. Aluminium is also malleable, which has many uses. When you drink from a soda can, you're able to squash the can, meaning you can get every last drop of your favourite drink, and can further lessen its size after finishing it to reduce the space in a crowded bin. Aluminium is an excellent heat and electricity conductor. Its relation to its weight is almost twice as good as a conductor as copper. This has made aluminium the most commonly used material in major power or transmission lines. As for chemical properties, the surface of aluminium metal is covered in a layer of oxide, meaning that it protects the metal from air, which is why aluminium doesn't react with oxygen. This means aluminium doesn't rust. Because of this, it can be used for a long amount of time in damp areas or harsh conditions as sustain very minimal damage. Due to this, aluminium is often used for long-term jobs exposed to the elements such as residential housing, siding, or industrial applications. Although aluminium by itself may not have been enough for you, pure aluminium is easily formed alloys which many elements such as copper, zinc, magnesium, manganese, and silicon. Magnesium is an alloy with 95% aluminium and just 5% magnesium. This alloy contains a small amount of magnesium because it has greater strength, greater corrosion resistance, lower density, and is easier to weld than pure aluminium. Having aluminium as part of such an alloy brings many advantages. Alloys with smaller amounts of magnesium, about 5%, exhibit greater strength, greater corrosion resistance, and lower density than pure aluminium. Pure aluminium is soft, ductile, corrosion resistant, and has a high electricity conductivity. It is widely used for foils, conductor cables, but alloying with other elements is necessary to provide a higher strength needed for other applications. This opens many other opportunities for uses in large structured machines such as aircrafts, automobile parts. Aluminium alloys are also of vital importance in the construction of modern aircrafts and rockets, as it can be molded but remains tough. Aluminium ore is called bauxite. The bauxite is purified to yield a white powder, aluminium oxide, from which aluminium can be extracted. Because of the fact that aluminium oxide has an incredibly high melting point, it would be too expensive to melt it as a method of extraction. And because aluminium is so abundant, it is extracted in many places throughout the world. So it can be done in a process called smelting, something more affordable which is achievable in any location. Aluminium is smelted at Tiwai Point in the South Island, New Zealand. Smelting is a process which includes applying heat to the ore in order to extract the base metal from its ore. The first step of producing aluminium is mining the ore. Bauxite mainly occurs in subtropical and tropical areas such as South America, West Indies, Africa, Australia, and little amounts of Europe. Here in New Zealand we get our bauxite imported from Waipa, Queensland in Australia, which happens to be one of the world's largest bauxite deposits. Looking for some affordable metals, something to repel birds, to keep your food warm, to make your cans out of? Dial 0800 001 001 right now to get your next order of aluminium 10% off.
Are you shiny? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want ya, and I need ya, and you conduct in 2 ways. Hey, can you want me? Do you hold heat? Say you'll never stop conducting electricity. Cause I want ya, and I need you, and you reflect for days. Hey, can you rap me? Are you shiny? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and you conduct in 2 ways. Hey, can you warm me? Do you hold heat? Say you'll never stop conducting electricity. Cause I want you, and I need you, and you reflect for days.